retrouvée à Paris. Je voyais tout le monde, pour moi tout était beau, tout le monde était formidable.
Hi guys, welcome to a brand new vlog. This is episode 2 of being a tourist in my own city. As you guys know, I started this new series that I'm going to be doing throughout the year on my vlog channel. So today we're going horse riding, as you can tell by the title. That's what we're doing today. I've never been and I'm actually ready. This weather though, I don't know about the weather. It's been rainy in the past couple of days. It's been raining the entire week. It only just cleared up yesterday, but then it's also like a little bit cloudy. However, the sky is blue, so I don't know how this weather is going to be like. I am wearing shorts and then I'm wearing this sweater vest that I got from Mr. Price, but I think I'm going to change it because I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling it, baby. Yeah, so I don't know, we'll see. Maybe I'll change it, maybe I won't. Yeah, I'm so excited. I've never been horse riding. I'm gonna take you guys along with me to do everything, the pricing, the experience, the place. The place is actually called Groenkloof. I don't know, Sana. The last time I did Afrikaans was in grade 10. That was years ago. So if I'm pronouncing this incorrectly, I apologize. I'm gonna put the place here. I'm so excited. Yeah, and I look cute. I tied my hair up with a little side part. I wore makeup because Sana, I've got 5 lashes left, so to distract the 5 lashes I put on a little bit of makeup. Yeah, I'm so excited.
Just to fill in the indemnity form, please. It's going to be your details at the top. Don't worry about line apart. Fill in them and please sign at the back. Okay.
And he is not so good.
No, don't worry. I have people actually, because you're new riders, I have people on the ground.
So apparently that one is mine. Yeah. horse today.
Yeah.
And she's so nice. She scared me the whole time, but it's fine. And then this is Richie. Who's Richie?
Yeah.
Richie's huge. Oh, he's so. And we're actually at the roller skating rink right now. Roller skating. And this thing is so difficult, you guys. Oh my gosh, like it's so difficult. I left my friend the other side because they don't want to come onto the rink. I hope you can hear me, but yeah, it's very difficult. So we're at Mama's now for food. And if you guys want nice food and affordable, come to Mama's. They're always a special. Yeah. And also like roller skating was so fun. Somebody kept falling the entire time. Actually, they didn't even do the rounds on their own. It was really fun. For me, it was like ice skating, but it was actually harder than I thought. I think ice skating is a lot easier. Yeah, it was harder than I actually thought, but it was fun. I'm so tired. I even have eyelids. And hungry. I'm tired and hungry. Ooh, look. You know that Donald Trump banned paper straws. Paper straws, because not necessary. So I'm editing this video right now, and I wanted to give you guys a rundown of all the activities that I did. So the horse riding place is actually called Shepherd's Fold in Lanseria, so just after 4 ways. We didn't end up going to Pretoria. The pricing is 260 rand per person for 30 minutes. That includes the entrance, the gear that you're going to be wearing, and then also the instructor who's going to be with you throughout the entire 30 minutes. I'm trying to speak fast because the space on my phone. Anyways, so yeah, 30 minutes sounds short, but trust me, it's actually very long, especially for a beginner. Then moving on to the roller skating rink, it's called Roll Igoli in Bryanston. It's 160 to 170 rand entrance, and then 50 rand the skates, the roller skate. The timing for the roller skating rink is unlimited. You can be on the rig for as long as you want. Yeah.